The Voice alum Whyte Maloney has passed away at the age of 44. Various sources report that the Clark County coroner in Las Vegas confirmed his death to People magazine and US Weekly, stating that he died by suicide. Access Hollywood has also reached out to the coroner's office for more details. Less than 24 hours before his passing, Ryan spoke to his fans in an Instagram video. The video appeared to be recorded before a performance at an Irish pub, Nine Fine Irishmen, for a private party. Ryan gained fame by competing in Season 6 of The Voice. He stood out in his blind audition by singing the Journey song Lights, which impressed the judges Adam Levine, Shakira, Usher, and Blake Shelton, earning him a coveted 4-chair turn. Ryan chose to join Team Blake and advanced through the battle rounds, becoming one of Blake's final 5 contestants. However, he was ultimately eliminated in the playoffs before reaching the live shows. Later, he returned to perform in The Voice Season 6 finale alongside other contestants, including Morgan Wallen. After The Voice, Ryan continued his music career, releasing songs and performing in Las Vegas, including at his former coach Blake Shelton's venue, Ole Red. He was scheduled to perform there on January 31st, just days after his passing. If you liked this video, please subscribe to stay updated with more such news.